If you're experiencing connection errors in Valorant, specifically Error Code 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other websites or online games. If your internet is down, restart your router or contact your internet service provider. Step 2. Restart Valorant. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve connection issues. Close Valorant completely and reopen it to see if the error persists. Step 3. Update your game. Make sure that Valorant is updated to the latest version. Open the Riot client and check for any available updates. Download and install them if necessary. Step 4. Disable VPN and proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy, disable it as it may interfere with your connection to the game servers. After disabling, try launching Valorant again. Step 5. Repair game files. If the error continues, use the Riot client to repair your game files. Open the client, go to the settings, and select the option to repair. This will fix any corrupted files that may be causing the connection error. If you follow these steps and the issue persists, consider reaching out to Riot Game support for further assistance.